Good morning, friends. Good morning. For the Youth Physio Conclave 2022, the present with me, Dr. Iftar Ali and Dr. Ketan Bhatikar, rest all the dignitaries on the dais, the dignitaries among the audience, and my dear friends. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada shastra buddhi vinashaya deepa jyoti namostute. Happiness is the virtue of good health, and physiotherapy is one of the upgrowing field in every sphere of healthcare management that aids to enhance quality of your life. It's not been a long time that the people, even urbanized sector, did not know about importance of physiotherapy. But it's hard work, dedication, commitment of physiotherapists across Goa and pan-India. Today, even the rural population across country is availing benefit of physiotherapy. First of all, I welcome physios from various parts of India into the beautiful Goa, and more importantly, the temple city, Honda. I'm very well aware that physiotherapy is made its mark the way behind the conventional approach and now flourishing its being in the super specialties like the sports, women's health, cancer, cardiac condition, disability, corporate fitness, organ transplant, and many more. Prevailing medical practice is revolving around providing the symptomatic relief. Relief of symptom is not a cure. Now, our aim should be to upscale from the disease care to health care. Physiotherapy in recent time has provided to be boon in helping the patient from COVID-19. Patient recovered from COVID-19 and even the patient with ongoing COVID-19 infections were hugely benefited by physiotherapy. Beneficial use, the breathing exercise, positioning and device like the incentive spirometer has also been acknowledged by WHO. And the role of physiotherapy in sports is really unmatchable. In developing countries like India, we now have the probable maximum number of athletes and other sports persons receiving regular physiotherapy services. This not only helps them to recover early from their injury, but also helps them in injury prevention. This has been even acknowledged by many national and international players of the different sports, and as a result of this was quite evident in Commonwealth Games for this time. I would like to congratulate the organizing chairperson of this conference, Dr. Iftar Ali, and the organizing secretary of this conference, my friend Dr. Ketan Bhatikar, for bringing this prestigious assembly of the physiotherapists from across the country to the land of joy, Goa, and enlightening the Fonda not only the culturally but also academically. I would also like to congratulate the team UA to have led these great initiatives of spreading education awareness and selfless help of people. The second time that the Goa is hosting Youth Physio Conclave. It is the first in 2019 and now in 2022. Goa has a tremendous talent pool and who is taking up the physiotherapy as their passion and profession. As I understand, the physiotherapy is imparted through the degree course and also has the mobility of the master's and PhD program. We have nearly the 250 physiotherapy colleges in India running the bachelor and master course. From the pediatric to geriatric, everyone needs the physiotherapy. Every sports team to an individual sports player needs a physiotherapist. From ISL to IPL to Olympics, you need a physiotherapist. From prenatal to postnatal, you need a physiotherapist. From the newborn to an old age person, you need a physiotherapist. The physio have a bright future in following areas. The first, in oncology. Physiotherapy in the field of oncology and palliative care is a continuously evolving and developing specialties both in the malignant and non-malignant diseases. In human health, this therapy is mostly addressed the human issues related to female reproductive system, childbirth and postpartum. This condition includes the lipidemia, osteoporosis, pelvic pain and prenatal and postpartum periods and urinary inconsistency. Orthopedics. Orthopedic physical therapeutics diagnose, manage and treat the disorders and injury. The musculoskeletal system includes the rehabilitation after orthopedic surgery. Sports. Physiotherapy are closely involved in the care and well-being of athletes, including the recreational, semi-professional and professional participants, especially in pediatrics. Pediatric physiotherapists assist in early detections of the health problem and use the variety of the modalities to provide the physical therapy for the disorders in pediatric populations. Systematic, consistent and focused collective approach and would surely aid the widespread outreach of physiotherapy and also enhance the chance of working beyond the national boundaries as a trained and highly skilled human resource. I appeal to all you to voluntarily come forth assisting the parents to the early detection of the physical condition in children so that they can overcome the hurdles and lead a joyful life. Being an Ayurvedic physician and ex-member of the Central Council of Indian Medicine, myself, I do understand the difficulties you people face in getting your recognitions. Hence, I urge you to formulate the National Council at the earliest. In the state of Goa, I will extend the necessary support to recognize and register the physiotherapy. Initially, at least we'll recognize under the Indian system of medicine and then we form the separate council for the physiotherapy. When I was a speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly, I was approached by your leader, Dr. Ketan Bhatikar, and I did not hesitate to giving him the support letter stating that the physiotherapy is an independent profession. Even our Honorable Prime Minister has stood strong and allowed you to use the prefix doctor and suffix PT. It is my humble appeal to all of you to continue your desire to learn more and more. It is my humble appeal to keep yourself updated with the latest trend emerging in the healthcare sector and try more and more to integrate your knowledge with the latest innovations to give your patients to the better service and make their treatment swifter and prompter. I want to also appeal to you to look the avenue behind your comfort zone. Search for the opportunities to work in the other countries and spend the quality time to learn the best practices. But don't forget to come back to your motherland and use the knowledge for the betterment and facilities of the local people. I assure you that my government will extend all the possible support for the physios from the Goa and also for your association in long run. In this conclave of the eminent national physiotherapists, I wish that the participants of the conference seek more knowledge, that get aware of the innovations and research being included globally in the field of physiotherapy education. At last, I'll say, doctors save lives and physiotherapists make it worth living. My best wishes for the successful conduct of this conclave. मैं जाते जाते एक ही कहूँगा, नवभारत निर्माण में every youth has a role और Honorable Prime Minister हमेशा के लिए नवभारत निर्माण की बात करते हैं तो मैं यानी ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने द क्लीन इंडिया से लेके फिट इंडिया मिशंस जो अपने देश में 2014 से लेके आज तक स्टार्ट किए हैं, आपने समझो ईच एंड एवरी मिशन, द क्लीन इंडिया मिशन, स्टैंड अप इंडिया, स्टार्टअप इंडिया, फिट इंडिया, इवन दो मेक इन इंडिया, ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ कंसेप्ट विच नवभारत निर्माण के लिए है, तो फिट इंडिया उसमें से आपके लिए फिट है। और फिजियोथेरेपी will more and more will make the people fit. So definitely फिट इंडिया के लिए आप सभी लोग अच्छी तरह से काम करेंगे और अपना देश नवभारत निर्माण की तरफ लेने के लिए आप सभी लोगों का ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर के लिए यानी आप लोग सपोर्ट करेंगे। बस इतना ही कह के मैं मेरी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। जय हिंद।
We are really obliged and honored with your words. Now I request Honorable Organizing